Alright, so this, which I've affectionately dubbed the spaghetti incident, is what ran our old windlass. You had a wire jump, you had positive battery come in here, and then it was jumped over to here. This went out to the motor, this went out to the motor. You had this ground jumped from here to here to here, which is a 30 amp circuit breaker. And then you had two wires on each of these posts for the switches, which activated it. It was a lot more messy than it sounds. That's why I called it the spaghetti incident. It looks like you just took some spaghetti and poof, there you go, it's wired. Now we're going to this, which I guess it kind of looks like a spaghetti incident now too, but this one's a lot cleaner. These two will hook up to the winch motor up there once we get the new windlass in. This is battery positive, this is battery negative. The center terminal here for the switching is jumped to battery negative. The switches get power here, so there's four wires. You got the battery in, and then you have these three wires, which that feeds power to the deck foot switches and the switch up at the helm. And then you have these that come in. There's two wires in each of these. The white one is the lower from the helm switch, and they used red for everything for whoever installed the last, so you're going to have to trust me on this one. This is the lower foot switch, which is right up there. This is the same thing, but up, green and red. This sheathing here is the wire they use to go from the switch. None of this wire is tinned copper. All of this wire is getting switched out over the next few weeks or months for thicker wire to allow for future upgrades, and for tinned copper, which I always used to say I don't understand it. Tin rusts quicker than copper, but looking at all the 40-year-old wiring in this boat that's tin coppered, it all looks brand new.
can't get the screws out any further than that. But it comes out now.
So if you look in here, there's a wheel that grabs the rope down here.
Uh-huh.
So it's coming around here and then it feeds. Oops. So it comes in. You can see the rope going into the gypsy. The gypsy drags it around and it comes out here. So it comes in here. It comes up here and around. Then it goes under this roller and comes out here. Because there's no power, I can't. Look at this.
It's shear. It's split.
Yep. And
oh, it's all cracked.
And
I'm glad it didn't fail on us.
that's from non-proper
wire.
Marine rated wire.